guys, welcome to another video. This has been a long time coming. Basically, we're doing a car meet. We are doing a car meet. Me and Jesse, we are doing a car meet. It's going to be up this area between the 22nd. Is it 22nd? Yeah, 22nd of September. So it's coming up to Mansfield. And what we're going to do is we are going to do the car meet at the guy's detailing business. If you haven't seen that video, I did a video on his Mustang GT, which is straight piped. Link is in the description for that. It sounds absolutely awesome. So make sure you go and check that out, because that is a beast. You'll be able to see that there as well. So what we're going to do is we're all going to go up there, do the meet up there as well instead. It gives him a chance to meet some of you guys as well. Gives you guys, you know, chance to talk about any detailing questions or anything else you've got. He's also got 20% off all his products. So cleaning products, all that sort of stuff. So if you want any, that's where you're going to want to get them from. Jess is coming, obviously, like I said. So anybody's welcome. Modified cars, standard cars. If you're a car enthusiast, bring your car. There should be plenty of parking out on industrial estate, so more the merrier. If you've got friends, bring your friends down. Anybody you want to bring them. It's going to be the 22nd of September. It's going to start roughly about 2-3 o'clock-ish, I think, just because it's starting to get a bit later earlier now. So we want to obviously see cars in daylight and that as well. So the time it'll finish, it will be just whenever. So the 22nd, I believe, is a Saturday. Is it the 22nd? Yeah, the 22nd, yeah. I keep forgetting. So yeah, 22nd is a Saturday. So those of you guys that obviously wanted these meets on a Saturday, that will be arranged now for you, so it's easy for you to travel, for those of you that's off work. There will be another one at the start of October as well. We are starting these back up, so I'm going to try and do it for the first Saturday in October as well. That will be at a different location. There'll be another video for that. Not sure what location yet, but we are going to travel. The reason we're just doing this one is obviously because Jess is up here, closer. We've got somewhere to go. You know, it should be a good event. So, like I said, bring anybody you want. Bring your mates, bring your missus, bring everybody, you know. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And we'll see you guys on the 22nd of September. Make sure you're there. Chance to see this car, Jess's car, Mustang GT, Jack's car, anything you want to do. Come on, bring it.